Here we are, Animal Kingdom. We're gonna go in a little bit late again today, and we're gonna try to park hop maybe over to Magic Kingdom, or at least try to. But first day in quite a long time that we were able to go in the park with no mask. So the new rules are you have to have a mask if you're on indoor rides, attractions in general, or indoor buildings and whatnot. So anything outdoors, you can take the mask off, and it feels pretty good. So let's head in the park. We'll grab some a drink with some boba balls in it, and maybe get a bite to eat, and then we're gonna park hop over to Magic Kingdom. So here we go. Launchpad McQuack. Stopping at Pongo Pongo, going to get a non-alcoholic Night Blossom with some boba balls. Boba balls. Alright, we're on our way to do some park hopping. Just heading back to the truck. We're going to head to another parking lot and another trek to the park. Here we go. Well, there you go, successful park hop. Got the castle with the new rose gold and the royal blue and the curly cues and the whatnot. So we'll walk up to a little closer and check out all the decorations here in a few minutes. Yeah, those decorations don't look too shabby. I think the rose gold looks a little bit better with all that extra stuff hanging off the castle. See if we can zoom in a little bit here and see what they did. Got the bows and the ribbons hanging off the sides of the castle, and then up on the roofs of the spires they've got the curly Q ribbon deals. It's pretty nice. Yeah, it's not too shabby. Alright, first stop's going to be Tomorrowland. We're going to try to ride the People Mover for the first time in, I guess it's probably been over a year now. So here we go. Alright, well, here we go. First ride on the People Mover in a pretty good long time. Maybe get a pretty good look at the Tron construction too from up here, I'm hoping. Keep your arms, hands, feet and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Get a look at the castle here while we're going by. Get a look at the Tron construction over there. Looks like they're getting the outer skin put on. And then something about a speeding ticket. Yeah, it's coming along. Still curious when the railroad's going to be back up and running. Guessing down here where these concrete culverts and stuff are sitting, that's where the tracks are going to probably go through. I don't know. Yep, and that's going to do it for the People Mover. It only stopped once while we were on it this time.
Onto the moving platform with caution and exit.
Well, they got the Liberty boat back out here in the Rivers of America, and the Rivers of America are full of water. You can see the track there, been replaced. Everything's slowly getting revamped and put back into service.
From regions beyond. Wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell. They pretend to terrorize me.
Well, Splash Mountain's still open. I guess its days are numbered. Not sure exactly when that's going to get reimagined. Kind of sorry to see it go, but it's the way things are, I guess. How about a little bit of Pirates of the Caribbean?